Hi, Pat here. I got a Midland 8-track player recorder. No idea when this thing was made. Couldn't find no information on it. But it does have a selector there for play, auxiliary, mic, and phonograph. But it doesn't want to turn. I ain't gonna force it. But the sides look good. Back looks good, and the top, there's some nicks on the edges there, but it does power on. The use peg when you first turn it on. Sounds a little slow to me, so get on the inside of this and take a look. I got this out of the case. Let me take a look at it a little bit. So I'm going to start tearing it down farther and see what I can do with it. This pulley comes right out, and I took a little piece of this 5000 grit sandpaper and just cleaned it up. All it really does is polish it. So I add a little oil to that and I'll drop it back in. I took the motor apart here. It came apart pretty easily. It's brushless and there's a little roughness right there. I'll clean that up a little bit. Add some oil to it and get it all back together. I got the motor back together and the pulley and the belt back on, and it is playing.
Nothing you don't want me to, but should you awake some morning,
sometimes I get the lights working.
what in the world can I do?
But I think I need to clean this switch right there. Might keep all the lights working. I cleaned the old grease off there. Add some new grease. And I put a little deoxin in there. And see if the lights all work now. I went ahead and I put new caps in this board just because it does most of the sound processing, and I figured it might help a little bit. Here's one of the old caps I took out. It's a 1 microfarad and it's got an ESR at 37 ohms. And let's compare that to a new cap. That's the new cap. ESR of 8. It's a whole lot better. Here's another one of the old caps. It's 47 microfarads and it's reading 83 microfarads. I find that quite often. A lot of caps I take out, they'll be a whole lot higher than what they're rated at. I've got it all back together again. And this switch here I thought was stuck. You just push this button and it'll go into record mode. But everything is working and sounding good.
I want my baby back again. If you would only straighten up and tell her there's no one
And this came out pretty nice. Thanks for watching the video.